If you want to connect Grammarly to Slack and start improving your messages before you hit send, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple setup step by step, so you can use Grammarly while chatting in Slack through your web browser. This is a quick and useful workflow for anyone who wants clearer, more polished messages at work. If this video helps, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, make sure you're using Slack in a web browser like Chrome or Edge. This method works through your browser, so if you normally use a desktop app, open Slack in your browser instead. Once you're there, go to your browser's extension store. If you're using Chrome, open the Chrome Web Store. If you're using Edge, open the Microsoft Edge add-on store. In the search bar, type Grammarly Browser Extension and look for the official Grammarly extension. Click Add to Browser or Get, then confirm the installation when prompted. After the extension is installed, sign into your Grammarly account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If you don't have one yet, you can create a free account and complete the sign-in process. This step connects Grammarly to your browser, so it can help you write more clearly as you type. Now open a new tab and go to slack.com. Sign into your Slack workspace if you aren't already logged in, then open any chat or channel where you want to type a message. Once you start writing, look near the Slack send button. You should see a small G icon, which means Grammarly is active and proofreading your text. As you type, Grammarly will help catch spelling mistakes, grammar issues, and writing errors before you send the message. You can click the Grammarly suggestions if you want to apply corrections right away, or just keep typing and review the message before sending it. This makes it much easier to write professional Slack messages, especially when you're communicating with teammates, clients, or managers. If you don't see the Grammarly icon right away, refresh the page, make sure the browser extension is enabled, and confirm that you're signed in to both Slack and Grammarly. You may also want to pin the extension in your browser, so it's easier to access later. And that's it. You've successfully connected Grammarly to Slack through your browser, and turned on writing assistance for your chats. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next simple software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.